Okay, let's get started. Remember to have your device near your drawing so that you can pause your video after I do each step and repeat it as we go. Eyes are much different than hands, so we won't be drawing perimeter lines. Instead, I'm going to draw an axis line to establish the angle that our eyes are on. That'll also help make sure that my drawing has symmetry, at least horizontally. So draw a line directly through the center of both her pupils. Mark where the dots you made in the margin of your printout are on your ruler, then, just like drawing the perimeter lines for the hands, transfer the dots to your drawing paper and connect them with a line. Notice my line went directly through the highlights on both eyes. The highlights are often a helpful tool to make sure you're keeping the eyes symmetrical. I intend to use that to help me later in the process. Next, use your pencil to estimate the distance from the left-hand side of the page to where your eyelash starts. So, right about here. Just hold your finger on that spot on your pencil. Then make yourself a small mark on your drawing to represent that measurement. My next measurement is going to go where the eye ends, so right there. But also do your best to estimate how far down it would land below the axis line you drew, so right about here. Next, I'm going to measure where the eyeball starts. It doesn't have to be perfect, just do your best to estimate where it is and how far it lands from the axis line. Now you know where this little triangle in the left corner of the eye is, and where the triangle in the right corner of the eye is. Let's do the same for the other eye. Hold the tip of your pencil up to where the triangle in the corner of the eye begins, and place your fingers at the edge of the paper. So you know this distance, now estimate how far the line lands from your axis line, and make yourself a mark. Next, measure the distance from the right-hand side of the eyeball to the edge of your printout, bring it to your drawing paper, and make yourself a mark. Great, my next measurement will be to mark where the eyeball begins. For this side, also take a measurement where the fold from the upper eyelid ends. I know it doesn't seem like much yet, but trust me, this is all the perimeter information you're going to need to start with. Just follow along with me step by step.